in factory system, workers built production centers at their home where production centers at their homes where they perform process of ginning. What it means ginning, Kritika? Separation of a cotton balls from cotton seeds. आपने साइंस में पढ़ा होगा ये. Ginning means separation of a cotton balls from cotton seeds, comma, ginning, comma, spinning. Spinning means transformation of a cotton balls into thread. धागा बनाया जाता है. Yarn. Spinning and weaving. So what they generally do at home, people set up their own centers where they perform these works. After spinning of a thread they sell to the industries, cotton textile industries, or either to the Britishers. Britishers exported such cotton thread towards as a Europe. In England, they manufactured the clothes. Afterwards, they sold the clothes in Indian markets. ठीक है ना? जो beginning stages थी, वो stages का काम वो factory system के through इंडिया में करवाते थे. इससे क्या हुआ? उनका cost of production कम हो गई. वो काम के लिए जिसके लिए separate unit setup करने थे, industry setup करनी थी, वो काम अब manually लोगों ने घरों में करके करने देने लग गए. And that material it has easily available for the Britishers. Cheaper rates में मिल जाता था. And it exported towards England for the manufacturing of our clothes. That's why the factory system was introduced by Britishers. Clear? Doubt है कोई? चलें आगे. So, due to as a industrial revolution in England, what was its bad impact on India? Question is, what are the reasons responsible for what factors, reasons, causes responsible for decline of the Indian textile industry? The Indian textile industry. What reasons, causes, factors responsible for the decline of the Indian textile industries? Indian textile industries. When the spinning jenny invented in Britain, in England, afterwards, what were its bad impacts? Indian society पे, economy पे इसका impact क्या पड़ा? ठीक है ना? First reason responsible for the decline of Indian textiles. It will be as a given on your page number 70-71. That heading, decline of textiles. ठीक है ना? So what were the reasons responsible for the decline of Indian textiles? Decline of Indian textiles was after the industrial revolution. After industrial revolution in England, Britain started producing machine-made textiles, machine-made clothes, machine-made textiles, which were cheaper. Machine-made textiles or clothes were the cheaper comparatively the handmade clothes as compared to the traditional Indian clothes. England revolution decline Indian textiles. First reason is after the industrial revolution, Britain started producing machine-made goods which were cheaper as compared to traditional clothes. Reason क्या था? For example, I am as a weaver. If I will start to weaving as a cloth, cloth बनाना जब process start होगा, a person has spent as a 4 to 5 days for making of a one sari or a bed sheet. Clear? यानी 5 days की उसकी जो income होगी वो उसमें included होगी उस particular cloth में. जब वो क्लोथ मार्केट में बिकेगा इट विल बी एज अ कॉस्ट ऑफ 2000-3000 रुपीज, क्योंकि 5 दिन की उसने इनकम भी तो लेनी है, प्लस रॉ मटेरियल जो एक्सपेंडिचर है उसने प्रॉफिट भी कुछ गेन करना है, 2000-3000 में बिकेगी। इसी के कंपैरेटिवली मशीन मेड जो बेडशीट होगी इट विल बी एज अ मैन्युफैक्चर विद इन आवर्स, विद इन अ मिनट्स, हाफ एन आवर 2 आवर्स में जो बन चुकी है वो चीपर होती थी, सस्ती होती थी। एंड पीपल एज अ कंज्यूमर, कृतिका शी आल्सो प्रेफर टू परचेज द मोर नंबर ऑफ गुड्स बाय स्पेंडिंग द लेस नंबर ऑफ मनी। हर कोई यही चाहता है, ठीक है ना। सो दैट्स व्हाई द इंडियन इंडस्ट्रीज टेक्सटाइल्स दे डिक्लाइन। रीजन क्लियर? फर्स्ट रीजन क्लियर। Second reason responsible for the decline of Indian textiles due to the industrial revolution. Due to industrial revolution, Charter Act of 1813, the Charter Act of 1813, Charter Act of 1813, it ended the English East India Company's monopoly. It ended English East India Company's monopoly. Monopoly over markets. Monopoly over markets. Monopoly होती है when limited number of producers are there. किसी मार्केट के अंदर लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स है, एक ही प्रोड्यूसर है, इट विल सेट द प्राइसेस। आज आप मार्केट के अंदर नंबर ऑफ टूथपेस्ट आर प्रेजेंट, पेप्सोडेंट, कोलगेट, सिबाका और कोई पतंजलि, डाबर, बहुत सारी हैं, ठीक है ना। कंपटीशन बिटवीन एज अ प्रोड्यूसर्स गिविंग द मोर इंसेंटिव्स टू द कंज्यूमर्स। अगर एक प्रोड्यूसर होगा वो क्या करेगा, अगर उसी सामान को वो अगर टूथपेस्ट को 2000 में ही बेचेगा, आपको लेनी पड़ेगी, आपके पास चॉइसेस नहीं है। अभी क्या है, चॉइसेस है आपके पास। एवरी प्रोड्यूसर हैज गिविंग यू द मोर इंसेंटिव्स, बाय वन गेट वन फ्री, बाय वन टूथब्रश फ्री, बाय वन आपको कनाडा का टिकट मिल जाएगा। इंसेंटिव्स, दीज आर इंसेंटिव्स। तो प्रगति जैसे कहते हैं, लो जी कनाडा जाना है, लो मैं तो कोलगेट ही यूज करूंगी, दिन में 4 बार कोलगेट, ठीक है ना। इंसेंटिव दे रहा है प्रोड्यूसर, क्या करे, आपको इंसेंटिव दे रहा है, उसकी सेल्स बढ़े। पर उस टाइम क्या था, एट दिस टाइम ड्यूरिंग द कॉलोनियल पीरियड लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स वर देयर। एक प्रोड्यूसर था English East India Company, because other companies were excluded by them. Which were of them were present earlier of them? Yes, Akshat. At the time of a colonial period, which of the trading companies trade from Europe trade with India? One was EEIC, और कौन सी थी? Very good answer. French, Dutch, Portuguese, उनको तो exclude कर दिया था उन्होंने till Battle of Buxar. ठीक है ना, फिर एक ही बच गई, दे डोमिनेटिंग ओवर इंडियन ट्रेड। तो ड्यू टू दिस चार्टर एक्ट ऑफ 1813, द रोल ऑफ इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ऑन अ मोनोपोली राइट, इट वाज एंडेड। हाँ जी, वो बाद में आएगा, हम आगे चले। थ्रू दिस चार्टर एक्ट ऑफ 1813, EEIC's monopoly ended, and it opened a trade for the other Europeans. पहले EEIC अकेली एक्सप्लॉइट करती थी फार्मर्स को, नाउ द अदर्स वर आल्सो अलाउड टू ट्रेड विद इंडिया। उससे क्या हुआ, रॉ मटेरियल, डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल लीड्स टू द डिक्लाइन ऑफ इंडियन टेक्सटाइल्स। ओपन ended EEIC and opened trade centers by other European companies. उससे क्या हुआ, raw material completely they purchased by the European companies towards the Europe, and due to as a deficiency of raw material, Indian textiles it declined. अगर वीवर्स के लिए रॉ कॉटन नहीं होगा तो बनाना क्या है, वीविंग कहां करनी है, स्पिनिंग क्या करना है, ठीक है ना, रॉ कॉटन बचा ही नहीं। थर्ड रीजन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द इंडियन textiles, decline of Indian textiles. The Indian textile industry did not have the advantages of mechanization, use of machines. Mechanization, they can't compete with the machines. Indian textiles can't compete with compete with machines. The Indian textile industry did not have the advantage of mechanization in factory system. In factory system, mostly work in a factory system done in a manual labor. Fourth point, by the beginning of the 19th century, English made cotton textiles. Beginning of 19th century, British made cotton textiles. Finished traditional markets of Africa, Asia, as well as America and Europe. Traditional markets of Asia, America, Europe, and Africa. Other European companies stopped. Arrange करवा दूं? Stopped. In the beginning of the 19th century, English made or a British cotton textile successfully ended traditional markets in Asia, Africa, America, and Europe. English and European companies stopped to give advances to weavers and cotton producers. Karan kya tha? Because the farmers, they sold their materials towards the other European companies. That's why Britishers, they refused to pay the loans to given as a loans to the Indian weavers. Fifth. The colonization and conquest of India by the British resulted ruined. कोई synonym है ruin की जगह? Synonyms. Destruction. Very good knowledge. Destruction or ruined. Destruction of Indian textile industry. Next, British government adopted newer policy in which company agents forced Indian farmers to cultivate cotton to cultivate cotton and sell it to and sell it to them at low cost directly to themselves in a low cost. The destruction, next point, the destruction of many local Indian courts and loss of royal patronage rulers, because as rulers, those who accepted a subsidiary alliance, they followed the instructions given by the dash. Term, एक word use किया जाता था for the instructions, somebody was appointed for it. In subsidiary alliance, those who accepted a subsidiary alliance in their courts, dash official, British official was appointed to who advised ruler for administration. Now, नवाब कहां से आ गया? Very good. किसने कहा? Resident किसने कहा? Very good. Residents. So the destruction of many local Indian courts and loss of royal patronage proved patronage, patronage, royal patronage proved to be a major setback to Indian textiles because rulers patronized the weavers. Rulers patronize means supported. They patronize weavers and craftsmen. For economic support of empire. Clear? Last point, one more point. How many? कितने हो गए? 8 हो गए. चलो एक और मैं आता हूं. Introduction of commercialization of agriculture. Commercialization of agriculture forced farmers introduction of commercialization of agriculture forced farmers to produce indigo, opium, सुना हुआ है? कहते नहीं सुना, क्लास नहीं लगाई पहले. OPIUM कभी क्लास नहीं लगाई, तभी नहीं सुना. रेवेन्यू वाले चैप्टर में बहुत बार यूज हुआ था. उसके बाद रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 में यूज हुआ, हमने सुना ही नहीं. opium, OPIUM and indigo, their production forced by company for international trade. It leads international trade. It leads LEA. It is responsible for the decline in area under cotton production. It declined in area under production. ये आपका नहीं है ना? नहीं है. Cotton production cotton production, अगर raw material नहीं होगा, how can they manufacture the goods? Clear? So these were the reasons responsible for the decline of Indian textiles during the British age. During British age, may I? Book. Next is cotton textiles. Sorry, cotton mills come up. The first cotton mill. Thank you. India's first cotton textile mill set up at Bombay in 1854 by Britishers. 1854 by Britishers. India's first cotton textile mill set up at Bombay by Britishers in 1854. Now the question arises here, what circumstances responsible for the location of first cotton textile in Bombay? What circumstances were responsible for this? Very good. So the first is what circumstances or conditions responsible for location of first cotton textile industry at Bombay? वही बोल रहा हूं, आप सुन ही नहीं. What reasons responsible for the location of first cotton textile at Bombay? So the first, availability of a black soil. Availability of black soil in Maharashtra, Gujarat. Availability of black soils in Maharashtra and Gujarat. In Maharashtra and Gujarat supported production of raw cotton. Production, अब raw material easily available होगा तो इसीलिए इंडस्ट्री यहां लगाई गई. ठीक है. Second reason, first, availability of a black soil supports the production of raw cotton in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Second, nearness of Bombay port. Nearness of Bombay port. Port, P-O-R-T. Pragati, we can use here Surat also. कर सकते हैं. रिदम कर सकते हैं. रिदम कर सकते हैं. सूरत इन गुजरात, बॉम्बे इन महाराष्ट्र. सूरत यूज किया जा सकता है वर्ड. प्रगति कह रही नहीं कर सकते, आप कह रहे हैं कर सकते हैं. प्रगति क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? कोई बात नहीं. गुजरात में भी मैंने कहा रॉ कॉटन प्रोड्यूस होती थी, फिर उन्होंने गुजरात में कोई सेंटर क्यों नहीं चूज किया, बॉम्बे क्यों चूज किया? एक तो ये भी रीजन था, बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी थी. सेकंड, सूरत, देयर इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ अ पोर्ट सिटी वाज अ डिक्लाइन ड्यू टू एज इट सबमर्ज इन अ वाटर. सूरत यूज नहीं होता था पोर्ट सिटी. ये आपने 7th में पढ़ा हुआ है, लास्ट ईयर पढ़ा है. 2 केस स्टडीज पढ़ी थी, एक सूरत की और एक मसूलीपट्टनम की. नहीं पढ़ी? पढ़ी थी. When the importance of a Surat declined, that's why the Bombay developed as a port city. बॉम्बे ही होगा, सूरत नहीं यूज होगा. ठीक है ना. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ अ पोर्ट फैसिलिटी. अगर पोर्ट अब वो सबमर्ज हो चुका है, पानी के अंदर डूब चुका है, उसके अंदर आप जाएंगे? ये कह रही है जाएंगे. आप जाएंगे? चलें. बॉम्बे, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ अ पोर्ट सिटी थ्रू बॉम्बे supported export of cotton textiles, export and import 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 of cotton textiles towards American and European countries, American and European countries. Third reason responsible for the growth of a cotton textiles at Bombay. Third, Kritika ने सही कहा, presence of a presidency. Bombay was a presidency of Britishers, presidency city of Britishers. Next, fourth, availability of cheaper labor. Availability of cheaper labor workforce, cheaper labor. अगर आपकी लेबर को दूर से कहीं लाना पड़े, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट पड़ेगी, ठीक है ना, आपको इंडस्ट्री को वो फैसिलिटी देनी पड़ेगी. इससे इजीली अवेलेबल बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई पॉपुलेशन कंसंट्रेशन among the adjoining parts of Bombay. Fifth, moderate weather conditions. Very good. This is the most important. Moderate. Fourth कौन सा था? आते हैं. Cheaper labor available. Clear, Priyansh? Next. Humid, moist नहीं, sorry, moderate नहीं आएगा. Humid or moist weather conditions. Humid and moist weather conditions supported growth of cotton textiles because क्या ग्रोथ हो? Cotton textiles, presence of water in air, strengthening thread. अगर ड्राइनेस होगी तो thread it will be as a breaks. अगर मॉइस्चर होगा एयर में तो thread it will be as a more stronger. Strengthening of thread. Next, growth of railways. Growth of railways. मैंने एक्सपोर्ट तो कहीं कहा ही नहीं. Growth of railways helped to bring raw cotton from industries towards, from fields towards industries and industries towards port, fields towards industry and industry towards port for its trade for its trade. Clear? Till there any questions online and offline? Any questions? 2 minutes are there. Yes, online and offline. Any queries still there? No? So let's continue. So when Britishers, they set up the first cotton textile at Bombay. Afterwards, they exported a large number of cotton textiles towards Europe and China. Afterwards, As per the existing demand, they set up the more number of a cotton textile mills in other parts of Western India, in which as a second cotton textile mill set up at Ahmedabad. Second cotton textile mill set up at Ahmedabad in 1861. 1861. इंडिया की सेकेंड कॉटन टेक्सटाइल मिल अहमदाबाद थी. अहमदाबाद की जो पहली मिल थी वो 1861 थी. दोनों में कोई फर्क है? रिदम जी, मैंने कहा इंडिया में सबसे पहली कॉटन टेक्सटाइल मिल बॉम्बे में लगाई थी. महाराष्ट्र की फर्स्ट बॉम्बे में थी. गुजरात की फर्स्ट अहमदाबाद में थी 1861. मैंने भी वही कहा, आप कहीं और ले गए रिदम गर्ग जी. चलें. So Ahmedabad, where the Britishers set up the India's second cotton textile mill, or Rhythm, Ahmedabad's first cotton textile mill in 1861. After the independence of India, more cotton textiles are concentrated in Ahmedabad as compared to Bombay. That's why Ahmedabad is known as a Manchester of India. Ahmedabad is known as Manchester of India. Manchester, Manchester of India. I'm again repeating as India's first cotton textile mill located at Bombay in 1854 and second at Ahmedabad in 1861. After independence, a large number of cotton textile industries concentrated in Ahmedabad. Because of the concentration of cotton textiles, that place, Ahmedabad, is known as a Manchester of India. Manchester of India. It is known as the Manchester of India. Manchester of India. Manchester of India. Due to the British industrialization, a large number of cotton textiles, a large number of cotton textiles concentrated in western parts of country, which later supported in First World War, which was commenced on 1914, 1914 to 1918. Tenure of a First World War